Good morning everyone. Today we are going to do the write the next three numbers in the given pattern. So we have to fill this pattern and we can use this hint that is given in the question. Okay, so number pattern you people have already done, but this one is quite different because this one is upper level number pattern. Okay, so you have to use your mind. Earlier you used to do like leave 2, leave 3, one number is missing, 10 number is missing, 5 table is going on, 2 table is going on. No, here there will be many things that we have to keep in your mind. So let us come to your first pattern, that is 107 109. So what is the difference between 107 and 109 is 2 difference. Now when we will come from 109 to 113, we will have 4 difference. Then 113 to 119 we are having 6 different. Then as you can see, 2 table is going on and we are leaving, like firstly you were leaving 2, then 4, then 6, then we have to leave 8 because after 6 in 2 table we have 8. So 119 plus 8 is 127. Then after 8 you have to leave 10, so 127 plus 10 is 137. Then afterwards, after 10 what we have? 12. So that's why we are going to do 137 plus 12 is 149. Here 2 table is going on and you are increasing the number of numbers according to the table of 2 and you have to leave that numbers. Okay, this is the pattern. Now please come here. As you can see, 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, 1 4 9. So now we have to see how many numbers it is leaving. So 1 plus 3 is 4, means after 2 3 1 plus 3 is 4. Then 4, how many you will add so that you will get 9? So 4 plus 5 is 9. Now how many you will add so that you can get 16? 9 plus 7 is 16. So as you can see here, 3 5 7 3, here odd numbers we are adding. Okay, then also we are getting the numbers. So after 7, which is the odd number, we are having 9. So 16 plus 9 is 25. Now 25 plus 11 is 36. 36 plus 13 is 49. So these all are the odd numbers that does not come in the table of 2. So these are the odd numbers and this many numbers you have to add so that you can get the next number. Now let us come to this number. As you can see, 1 3. So 139. So what you are going to do? 1 plus 3 is 3, but 3 plus something that you are getting 9. So it's quite difficult. So let us multiply, because here it is given multiply a number by itself. So when you multiply 1 with 1, you will get 1. Then afterward 1 with 3, you will get 3. Then 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Then 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. 27 multiplied by 3 is 81. 81 multiplied by 3 is 243. 243 multiplied by 3 is 729. So you have to multiply here with 3 so that you can get the answer. Now let us come to D part. Again here you can see 12 plus 1 is 13. Now 13 plus 3 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. 21 plus 7, again odd numbers we are adding. 21 plus 7 is 28. 28 plus 9, after 7 we have odd number 9. So 28 plus 9 is 37. 37 plus 11 is 48. So odd numbers we have added. Now here what is happening? 4 plus 9 plus 19 plus 39. As you can see, there is no pattern going on. If you are going to add, if you are going to leave the numbers, you will not get the pattern. So let us take the help of the hint. Multiply by 2 and then add 1. So you have to multiply this number by 2. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Then you have to add 1 also. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So you have got the next number. Now 9 multiplied by 2 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So you have got the answer. Now 19 plus 2, 19 multiplied by 2 is 38. 38 plus 1 is 39. 39 multiplied by 2 is 78. 78 plus 1 is 79. 79 multiplied by 2 is 158. 158 plus 1 is 159. Now 159 multiplied by 2 is 318. 318 plus 1 is 319. Okay. Now here you can see that the number is here the less like small number is coming. So 156 78. What is the relation between 156 and 78? If you are going to divide 156 with 78, what you will get? You will get only 2. So if you are going to divide 56 by 78, you are getting 2. So 2 will be, means 156 you are going to divide by 2, you will get 78. Now after 78 it is just 76. So it means that we are subtracting 2. So we are going to write 76. Now 76 divided by 2 is equals to 38. So firstly it is happening divided by 2, then subtract minus 2, then again divided by 2, then you have to subtract minus, then you have to subtract 2. So 38 minus 2 is 36. Now 36 divided by 2 is 18. 18 minus 2 is 16. Next number, so divided by 2, then you have to write minus 2. Like this you have to do. So here the hint is given divided by 2 minus 2 divided by 2 minus 2. So you can use this hint. Now 4 plus 7. Here 3 differences there. Now 7 and 13, 6 differences there. 6 number difference, 7, because 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 12. As you can see here, what is happening? You are multiplying this number with 2. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 6 multiplied by 2, 12. Now 12 multiplied by 2 is 24. So 25 plus 24 is 49. Okay, now 24 multiplied by 2 is, you are getting 48. So 49 plus 48 is 97. Now 48 you multiply by 2 and then you have to add in this number, you will get 193. This is your answer. Now let us come to next part, 0, 4, 20. So firstly what we have done, let us take add 1 then multiply by 4. So you have to add 1 and then multiply by 4. So here just simply you have to multiply, because 0 multiplied by 4 is 4. So 0. So you will not get 0 multiplied by 4 is 0. So you will not get the answer. So you simply have to add 4. Now you are going to start it from here. 4 multiplied by 1. 4 multiplied by 1 plus, 4. What you have to do is 5 multiplied by 1, and then you have to do, what you have to do here, it is said add 1 then multiply by 5. So when you are adding this 4 with 1, you will get 5. Okay, and then what will happen? Multiply by 4. So here this you have to do the correct. Here if you are going to add 1, so it will 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 multiply 4 is 4. Okay, so then you get 4. Now 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. 21 multiplied by 4 is 84. Now 84 plus 1 is 85. 85 multiplied by 4 is 340. 340 multiplied by 340 plus 1 is 341. 341 multiplied by 4 is 1364. 1364 plus 1 is 1365. 1365 multiplied by 4 is 5460. This is your answer. Okay, now let us come to the next number. 1 multiply, here the answer is 1, 6, 31, 156. As you can see, I have already told you that you have to be very careful when you are finding the concept here. So multiply by 5 and then add 1. Multiply by 5 then add 1. This is the question. So here what we are having, 1 multiply by 5. So 6, 1 multiply by 5 is 5. Then you have to add 1, that is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now we have 6 here. So 6 multiplied by 5 is 30 plus 1 is 31. Now 31 multiplied by 5 is 155. 155 plus 1 is 6. 156. And 156 multiplied by 5 is 780. 780 plus 1 is 781. Now 781 multiplied by 5 is 3905 plus 1 is 396. Then we have 396 multiplied by 5 is 19,531. And then what we have to do, you have to add the number here. Okay, plus 1. Here 1 multiplied by 1, 5, 17, 53. So what is happening? Use this hint. Multiply by 3 then add 2. So 1 3 the 3 and then plus 2 is 5. Then 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. Now 17 multiplied by 3 is 51. 51 plus 2 is 53. Now 53 multiplied by 3 is 159. 159 plus 2 is 161. 161 multiplied by 3 is, you will get 483, and then you are going to plus 2, 485. 485 multiplied by 3 is 1450. 5 plus 2 is 1457. So this is your answer, and by this we have completed our number pattern. I hope that this question is clear to everyone. Bye bye.